one simple thing. One simple thing to help make your journaling easier. And that's what we do in this series. We offer tips and prompts to help you make your journaling easier. And go back and watch all the series. Series 1 started in December, and we're now in Series 4. When Series 4 ends on the 15th, then we're going to take a short break and pick back up with Series 5 in March. Okay, so one simple thing to make journaling easier. Today's one simple thing is leave one choice unresolved. And that might be hard for you. You want to finish everything that you start when you're working on your journal if you can. So I decided to make a tag today, and I'm going to use a Hondo sticker. So if you're interested in the sticker page, it is a digital printable that you can print onto sticker paper, full sheet, or you can just print it onto your cardstock paper and cut them out and glue them. But I don't have the full page anyway. I've been cutting away at them and using them, and it's so cute. Anyway, so I made a tag. This tag is just a regular rectangle tag. I'm going to use some purple Damson wine ink and just go around and ink these edges. And so that part's not unfinished. And what I'm going to do, though, is make a little flap, and that is going to stay open. It's not going to be quite done. So I made a piece that is a little bit shorter than the tag I created. And then I actually scored it at a 1/2 inch in, so it's actually the same size if you look at it. So whatever size you make your tag, make your other piece the same size width, but then score it and fold it, burnish that fold at a 1/2 inch. That's going to make you a little flap that will fit like this. I did make it about 1 inch or so shorter, and I'm going to actually glue this part on. So we're just going to glue it right up next to that, and it's going to fit just perfect, and it opens up. But what I'm leaving unfinished is it closing. So do I want to add a paper clip to close it? Do I want to add a Velcro? What do I want to do? So I'm leaving it unfinished. You could add a tuck, you could add a flap, or some kind of edge that always stays open and invites you to come back and return to it and work on that. So I've got my Hondo sticker. I actually trimmed it to hang off a little bit so that it's like still not, it's not glued to the back part, if that makes sense. And so I'm going to actually come around the edges and give him a silhouette like that, so that you can see that's him back there, the silhouette. Yes. And then I'm just going to take this little purple up to here. I'm actually not going to finish it. I'm going to leave it just like this. I'm going to put some ribbon on for the actual tag pull. And then that is what I'm going to leave unfinished so that I can come back to it. I can add to it. I can journal. I can put a charm. I can add lines for journaling. I can add another sticker. But I'm leaving this unfinished, unresolved, completely open for me to return to it. Now, I hope you'll try that. Most of us may not want to do that, but there is a hidden giveaway in this video. So if you made it this far, this is a pet washi tape. It is the plastic where you peel the layers off. It's a double layer peel to apply. So this is some beautiful pink flowers and some different color flowers back there. So your word for the hidden giveaway is flowers, and you can come back to this and enter every day. The drawing will be March 2nd for the February giveaways, and this will be part of that. So a hidden giveaway today, flowers for this pet washi tape, and don't be afraid to leave something unresolved and come back to it later. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.